And so I decided one day to go to Mallorca and by myself and to create a movie. And that was 2.5 years ago. And I had read a lot of, I had a lot of ideas in my head and things written. But and in Mallorca, I went to see the newspaper, and I asked them, "Do you want to could you make an article about my project and give my email address and say everybody is welcome in my film?" So the next day, I received 300 pictures of people, a lot of 18 years old girls, half naked. But there was no role for them, unfortunately. And I met a guy who had a bar that opened at 6 in the night, and we organized the casting there. And the whole film, so that's how I met the people of my film.